Ewé jókòjẹ́, Cisampellos owarensis, also known as velvet plant. Ewé jókòjẹ́. Hi everyone, I am Dr. Kenny Odewole. Traditionally, our ancestors used this plant to make a stubborn wife obey, meaning jókòjẹ́, sit down there. So before you use it for love charm, let me tell you its medicinal powers. Ewe Jokoje is highly beneficial for women's health in traditional Chinese medicine. We use it to support fertility, menstrual pain, infection, fever, blood cleansing, and so on. So don't use it for juju or love charm. Use it for your health. Please follow Dr. Kenny and let's learn more about African herbs. I remain yours, Dr. Oduwole Kenny. Thank you so much. Please like, comment, and share whenever we post.